12 Struggles of Being a Highly Intelligent Person. Being a highly intelligent person is a blessing, but at the same time, it can also be a curse. You can learn and understand complex concepts quickly and understand how things are connected. You can figure things out that others might never grasp. But did you know that highly intelligent people struggle with things the average person might not even think about? In this video, we are going to show you the 12 struggles of being a highly intelligent person, according to science. If you relate to some of these 12 struggles, you are probably smarter than you think. Welcome to a new video from the Social Psychology Masters YouTube channel. If you're new here, subscribe for more social psychology videos. And comment down below, I subscribed, and let us welcome you. Let's start. Number 1. You get bored fast. Do you get bored easily? For example, when you are learning something new and you find the thing easy to grasp, you might become bored with it after a short time. One study that was done at the University of British Columbia found that highly intelligent people tend to lose focus more and get bored easily than those who are not as intelligent, especially when they don't find the things that they are doing or learning challenging enough. But they also tend to easily get bored with people and any social situation. This is why highly intelligent people need to find a partner that will challenge them intellectually. Number 2. You are careful with your words. Do you think twice before saying something? Do you find it difficult to choose your words because you don't want to sound wrong? Well, intelligent people tend to be more careful with the words they use. This is because they know that one word can have a difference in meaning and can change the outcome of what you are trying to say. For example, if someone or something comes across as not being very intelligent or dumb, then most highly intelligent people would not use that word because they know how it comes across. However, this doesn't mean that being highly intelligent means you are the most diplomatic person. It just means that you have a better understanding of words and how to use them properly in certain situations. Number 3. You are socially awkward. According to research, those who are highly intelligent may need more time than some other people to think about how they behave. And because of this, they may need more alone time and be seen as socially awkward and quiet by others. However, this can be difficult because people might misinterpret it as them being stuck up. This is why some highly intelligent people may need to know how to find a balance between alone time and socializing with others. This way, they do not come across as mysterious or seem like they are not interested in what others have to say. So if you struggle socially, it might be because you are highly intelligent and just need to learn the right balance of socializing with others. Number 4. You struggle to make good friends. The more intelligent you are, the harder it is to make good friends. That's because your way of thinking is different from others. You are more logical and you don't like being dramatic in any way. That's why finding the right people who think the way you do can be difficult. But this doesn't mean you should lower your standards. It just means that you need to make yourself more approachable and meet new people as you go through life. Number 5. You don't get out much. For a lot of people, partying and going out with friends is a way to let loose and have fun. But for those who are highly intelligent, this can be difficult. This is because their minds never seem to stop working, so they might find it hard to relax when everyone else seems to be having fun. They need to have a way to relax and unwind. For some, it might be as simple as taking a walk or relaxing alone while listening to their favorite music. Highly intelligent people often find peace in these activities and not in social gatherings. Number 6. You are overly analytical. Do you always feel like you need to know the correct answer to everything? Do you have a hard time choosing a direction, especially when there are many options? This is because highly intelligent people tend to be overly analytical. They need to understand everything in order for them to accept it, which makes it difficult for them to make the right decision right away. They may even come off as confusing because of their way of thinking. So if you find yourself thinking and analyzing too much, you may be highly intelligent and just need to find a way to relax and trust your instincts every once in a while. Number 7. Your mind constantly craves exercise. According to research, the most highly intelligent people tend to be more mentally active than others. And because of this, they need a way to be constantly challenged mentally. They need to be doing something that allows their minds to grow and learn. For some, it might be studying or researching. For others, it might be running or doing memory exercises, such as puzzles and board games. But regardless of what they do, the important thing is that highly intelligent people need a way to exercise their brains in order to stay sharp and feel good. Number 8. You are always feeling pressured to succeed. People who are highly intelligent need to constantly learn and grow. But because of this, they might feel more pressured to succeed than others do. And when things don't go their way, or if they make a mistake, it is easy for them to get frustrated. If you often find yourself pressuring yourself to succeed more than others do, there might be a good reason for that. You might just need to take some rest every once in a while to remind yourself that it is okay not to do everything perfectly all the time. Number 9. You are very honest. Honest people are a blessing in a world filled with dishonest ones. But being highly intelligent sometimes makes it difficult to understand how people feel, and therefore, the truth might hurt them without realizing it. For highly intelligent people, honesty is a necessity and not an option. So much so that sometimes they might say things without thinking them through, which makes them seem insensitive to others around them. If you struggle with this, then there is no point in trying to be someone you're not. This doesn't mean that you don't respect people or their feelings, though. It is just because being honest has become a habit for you and you prefer to tell the truth so you can live a life of integrity. Number 10. It's hard for you to fall in love. People who are highly intelligent have a unique way of thinking, so it is only natural for them to fall in love differently as well. For people who are highly intelligent, falling in love isn't an easy task. This is because it takes time to build trust and may go through several phases before they are ready to take their relationship up a notch. People who are highly intelligent also have trouble expressing their feelings because they are afraid of being judged or misinterpreted. As a result, they can come off as cold and distant. Finding the right person for you is hard, but there are many other people who can relate to what you're going through. So if you find it difficult to fall in love, you are not alone. Number 11. People get annoyed when you correct them. Correcting others is a good quality to have because it promotes learning and growth, but it can also be bad if your corrections are taken as rude. People who are highly intelligent sometimes take the habit of correcting others to such an extreme that they forget that there is a fine line between being helpful and being overbearing. When you correct someone, it is important not to rub it in and be condescending. If you find yourself doing this often, try to change your tone and approach so that others can see you as a friend who has good intentions. This doesn't mean that you have bad intentions or that you see yourself above others. It's just that you have a good sense of judgment and feel the need to use it when you see someone going down the wrong path. Number 12. You use logic more than emotions. People who are highly intelligent have a knack for understanding logical concepts, so it is only natural for them to use logic more than emotions when faced with problems. But sometimes the solution might be staring right at them, and they fail to see it because they are thinking too hard about it. You don't need to feel bad if you find yourself thinking logically more than emotionally. You just have a different way of seeing things and approaching problems, so it is only natural for you to use logic more than emotions when dealing with challenges. Conclusion: being highly intelligent can be both a blessing and a curse. On one hand, you have the ability to learn and understand complex concepts quickly. But on the other hand, you may find it difficult to relate to others who don't share your level of intelligence. So if you relate to some of these struggles, you are probably smarter than you think. To learn more, check out other videos on this channel and the links in the description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.